There are so many myths that continue to circulate amongst the real estate industry when it comes to the VA home loan that has prevented so many veterans, like myself at one point, from purchasing a lot sooner than they would want to. So I'm gonna debunk these right now. Myth number one, VA loans take too long to close. That's false. The VA loan takes the same amount of time frame to close as the rest of the lending products, if not sooner, when utilizing an experienced VA lender who understands the process. And just to give you an estimated time frame on it, it can be closed within 21 to 30, 25 days and funded a lot sooner than that if everything is done up front. Myth number two, you can only use your VA loan one time. That is completely false. And that was told to me when I first joined the Marine Corps. The fact of the matter is you can use your VA loan multiple times and even have multiple VA loans out at once as long as you have entitlement left over and as long as you're eligible for the rest of your life for my veterans. Number three, the VA loan has hidden fees. That's false. The VA loan only has one fee, which is your VA funding fee, which that fee is to keep the VA home loan program alive for all veterans, past, present, and future to utilize, and that is it. Aside from that, the only out-of-pocket expenses that you will have will be your closing costs, but there are no hidden fees as it pertains to the VA loan. Number four, the VA loan is only for single-family homes. Again, that's false. You can purchase of various types of properties with the VA loan, such as new construction, VA-approved condos, townhomes, manufactured homes, and even multi-unit properties up to 4 units. So again, the VA home loan has various types of properties that you can purchase, but it's not just for single-family homes. Number five, and this one is always going to be the biggest one. You do not have to have the perfect credit score to purchase a home with your VA loan. Yes, your credit score is important, your financial circumstances are important, but there are various lenders out there that will allow you to purchase a home with a VA loan with your score as low as 540, 560, 580. Trust me, you'll be surprised. This is going to be lender and bank specific, but the great thing about the VA loan is that it has a lot more flexibility when it comes to its credit requirements. I will say just make sure that you make your payments on time. If you do have any blemishes on your credit report, that maybe you had a late payment or something was to happen, you have a letter of explanation already ready and try to get ahead of the game for when you're ready to purchase a home. Number six, and I don't even know how this came about, but a myth that the VA loan has higher credit scores compared to the other lending products is absurd. Your VA loan is going to always have the better qualifying rates for eligible borrowers, given that it is backed by the government. So again, remember, as it pertains to credit score, as it pertains to debt to income ratio, if you're in a good situation, you are naturally going to qualify for the better interest rates compared to the other lending products. Last but not least, the myth that the VA loan is more expensive than the other lending products. Check this out. In comparison to the conventional loan, in comparison to the FHA loan, there is no down payment. For a conventional loan, the minimum is 5%, and for an FHA loan, the minimum down payment is 3.5%. Not only that, you don't have private mortgage insurance and you don't have upfront mortgage insurance premium, which is going to save you a lot more money on your monthly mortgage, along with having competitive interest rates. Again, there are a lot of myths that circulate that keeps a lot of veterans or active duty service members and even reservists and eligible spouses from purchasing a home with the VA loan, but make sure you're informed, and that's what I'm here for. I hope this video helped you. Let me know if you have any questions.